Okay, let's look at this problem. Find longest special substring that occurs thrice. Uh, 1. So here the constraints are quite small. So the length of the string is maximum 50. So we can try the brute force way uh, to solve this. Then we will look at how to optimize it in the part 2 of this problem. So what we are asked is to return the length of the longest special substring. And how do you define a special substring? If it is made up of only one character. So let's say it is A or double A or triple A, like that. So that's a special substring. So since we can use brute force here, we can try for each and every length uh, of the substring and then check uh, if its count is greater than equal to 3. So we have to check if the length of, so we have to return the length of the longest special substring if that special substring occurs more than or equal to 3 times in the given s length s string. So what we will do, we will check for each and every length starting from 1 going to n, and for each length we will see uh, if we will count the number of special substrings that occur in that string, and then if that count is greater than equal to 3, we will simply return it. So let's check the code how to go through it. For storing the length of string s, and then also create a variable longest. This will store our answer, that is the longest special substring that occurs more than 3 or equal to 3 times. Then we are going to check for all possible lengths of substring. Then we will check if it is a special substring, and if it is special, we will count the occurrence of it. If it is greater than equal to 3, we will return. We will check if this is one of the longest or not. So let's uh, iterate through the length. This length should be less than equal to n, and then plus. Okay. Now also we will create a map to count the number of special substrings. Okay, let's name it count. Now we will iterate through each and every substring of length. So let's go from I 0 to I less than equal to n minus length, and then I plus. Okay, we will create two variables here. One will store if this is special or not. So let's assume it to be true initially, and also one more variable of char data type, which will store uh, what special substring it is. If any substring is starting with A, that substring will contain only A if it is special. So we need to only store the first character of that substring. So let's store it. Now let's check if it is special or not. So how do you do that? You check for all possible characters within that length. If that is not equal to first character, then it is false, and then break. So j goes from I plus 1, j is less than I plus length, j plus plus. If this sj is not equal to first char, then is special is false, and then we can break. Now if it doesn't, now if is special is true, then we can check for the count of it. So whenever it is true, we can increase one count. So first char plus plus, and then we can check if count first char is greater than equal to 3, then longest is maximum of previous longest and length. Then we can finally return longest. Okay, let's try. Compiler spelling mistake. Okay, it got accepted. Let's check on all cases. It got accepted. This is of smaller constraint. Let's check how to optimize it in the next video.